Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. And first off, shout out to Aligegous on Amazon for sponsoring today's video. Today I'm taking a look at this 10-inch straight bob human hair wig. This is in the color natural black. So there goes the adjustable straps. We have one comb in the back and two on both sides. And I'm just going to go ahead and let y'all sit back, relax, and we'll get into the specs and what I think of it in just a moment. In the meantime, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do so. Hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in a moment. This has already been washed and conditioned. Light lace. And my hairline, even though my edges are thin, I have a low hairline. I probably have just a finger width from my eyebrows to where my edges begin. Like my real edges. It is sitting flat. So if I move this forward, I'm gonna look a little crazy, but we'll see. Got a little humpage right there, but part of that is because I have two braids right there. So I'll just flatten this out a little bit as much as I can with the hot comb. Tucking in the back comb underneath my wig grip in the back. And these two combs I'm tucking up underneath the wig grip on both sides. Again, this is just only going underneath the wig grip and not in my hair. This is where the tracks begin on both sides. So 4 inches across, 4 inches back, and then the sides have lace, but there's no parting area on the sides. Okay, full details according to the Amazon ad for this wig from the Aligegous store. This is Aligegous short bob wig, straight human hair, 4x4x13 lace frontal wigs, Brazilian virgin hair, straight short bob lace closure wigs, human hair pre-plucked, hand tied, natural hairline lace front wig for black women, color natural black, 10-inch. That has to be out, so that's gonna stay out. And of course I'm gonna have shedding because of that. And I had a little bit of shedding after washing it and doing a little bit of plucking in the front. About that much. Flatten this out some. So far, this is a really pretty wig. It's the exact density I would want. I don't like too much hair on my neck, and this feels like nothing is touching my neck whatsoever. So I really appreciate that, and I think a lot of that has to do with this not being a blunt cut wig. If it was blunt cut and more density to it, I probably couldn't handle it. And again, shout out to Aligegous. It did come with the automatic middle part already set there. I did go ahead and wash, condition it. I even tried to bleach knots. Your girl don't know nothing about bleaching knots, but I tried. Didn't really do much anything, but that's okay. I'm gonna keep practicing. And I did go ahead and apply a little bit of my Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder in the color 360 in the parting area, and then when I went into my bathroom, it was still looking, the lace is still looking a little bit gray, so I went in with my Juvia's Place shade stick in the color Katsina. So I used that, and that helped blend the lace a little bit better. First time I went outside, I was really seeing that lace. The second time, and I'll go ahead and make sure I insert some clips of the way it looked in my car. It looked a lot better. So This shade stick that I use from Juvia's Place that I use for my contouring, Katsina, perfect color for that. So that helped blend that in. This is glueless. I did use a little bit of the Got to Be Glued in the black tube right here only. And it is starting to curve a little bit more because I did go outside and I had a hoodie on, and you know, I just kept doing this and it, you know, slightly curved it. This does have a lot of flyaways, so I did tame that the best. I did help tame that the best I could with my 24-hour edge tamer hair wax stick from Eben. So that helped quite a bit. And I did go ahead with the Eben 24-hour foaming lotion wrap and shine, and that helped quite a bit more in this area because it does have quite a bit of flyaways. This is pretty. This I could wear this. I could wear this every day. Seriously, it's light, it's comfortable. Is it big head friendly? I think so. It stretches quite a bit. I did have to cut off the ear tabs, and it's still a little bit of overage, but you can see I did not glue down anything. I mean, if I wanted to glue this down, I would still have part of the cap itself, the elastic band itself would be covering my the tops of my ears. So yeah, I would say this is big head friendly. And again, the size of my head is 21 inch. I have a small head, so, and I don't want to tighten up the elastic straps in the back because ain't nobody trying to get a headache, okay? So I think this is good enough. Other than that, there was no smell with this wig at all. I have no itching. This feels good on my neck. I don't feel hot. I would say this is a good pick. So thank you to Aligegous on Amazon. I'll go ahead and make sure I include a link if you want to check it out. I mean, if you have Amazon Prime, get this in 2 days and you have a style before the end of the week. Hey. So let me know how I did. Let me know if you like wig videos or not. Just know either way, this is my channel and I'll probably still have some. Mixed with, of course, my natural hair and other protective styles. If you're into that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you think I did all right for a wig newbie. Give myself a pat on the back because I think I deserve it. And your pat on the back to me would be you subscribing. So other than that, I will talk to you later, roses. Bye.